Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you see right here, we have Uxin. Okay, this is how the daily chart looks like. Uxin is sitting at price at around 332 US dollars. Okay, $3.32. And as you see, I had a prediction right here that was kind of, okay, and it managed to kind of screw it up. It probably did manage to push to the upside in addition, like 5 to 6%. But then it kind of right now it's kind of pushing to the downside, and it looks like pretty bearish to me. This is also we had a Fibonacci, and that's what happened. I mean, I should have known that. Okay, I should have known it, but everybody makes mistakes. From looking at the chart and stuff like this happen. Okay, so as you see, the volume is sitting exactly into the golden zone, the 786 area, the 618 area, and also the point 0.5 on the Fibonacci. So here we have two catalysts on the 4 hour time frame, which is huge. Of course, we have a downtrend, so a lot of catalysts filling up. This could be a potential option trade or so on and so on. But I do not do that. I'm just giving you advice. Okay, I do not trade stocks. I'm just holding positions. As easy as that. I do trade cryptocurrencies and currencies, but not stocks. So actually, this is what happened. We did kind of filled out this volatility level. This is what we tend to touch and kind of bounce off of. Okay, just a quick tip for you guys. Make sure to have that on the side. You'll kind of learn by the time how it works. Or I can kind of make a video how to use the VPVR. And this is how it kind of went. Okay, you managed to push to the downside right now. I think it looks pretty promising that you will continue to push to the downside. And that's my opinion about Uxin. But I'm not saying that it will continue to push to the upside forever. I say that when we kind of reach these areas right here, it will continue at like $2.50. I think that it will continue to kind of rise up and explode. So that's about it. Peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.